My name's Doug Sleeter with the Sleeter Group. We're a network of over 800 accountants all over the world, and we serve small businesses, and we help them with their business processes, their accounting, their e-commerce, their point of sale, their line of business applications. Yeah, so how do I communicate the benefits of the cloud to the small business? I try to be as succinct as possible, but it turns out the benefits just keep coming. The first one, though, is anytime, anywhere access, and that maybe at first doesn't quite soak in. The fact that I can be at home and access my data. The fact that we're all mobile now, and if we've got a mobile device and we need to access any of our data, that data can't be sitting on a hard drive on my laptop. So there's another reason why people start to get it. Oh yeah, I do need to be mobile. I do want anytime, anywhere access. I do have remote workers that I've hired to work on my systems. I do have multiple offices that all have to work on the same data. I do projects with clients where they do some of the work and I do other. All of these things all add up to one central benefit or tool called the cloud. And then from there's a lot of little tiny solutions that together, I call them chunks of the business process, that we then put together through digital plumbing, where the e-commerce store feeds the data for the orders down into the accounting system, which might be another cloud accounting system, might be a desktop system. So there's this plumbing of data going everywhere. And all of this stuff is really exploding the alternatives for the small business owner to get exactly what they need, as opposed to whatever the all-in-one software of the past could provide us. So moving to the cloud is both easy and really difficult. So it's easy to just simply upload a file into a cloud place, and that part seems easy. The difficulty is in the rest of the business process, the rest of the people involved, the training, the changing the way we actually operate as a business because of this new solution that happens to be now in the cloud, which solves for those other problems I talked about. So the ease to get there versus the difficulty of making the rest of the organization embrace the new way of working. There's a process that I recommend going through. I've got 7 steps to moving to the cloud without creating a tornado. And this is basically breaking the process down from leading a team of people who are going to do the implementation, who are going to actually help in each of the different areas of the business to help that, to evaluating solutions and making sure that you found the right solution from the right vendor, from the right people behind the vendor. They really matter. And then planning the implementation and making sure that we haven't made an unrealistic plan. The interdependencies of the data that's going to go over. If I move one process over, will that break another process? So there's several pieces here that are not to be taken lightly, but that's one of the things we're working very hard to help people with is the actual process of moving to the cloud.